Freshman Day 2022.
Hi, my name is Keneal, and I'm excited for the new year and the new school because I had a lot of problems, so I just want to start clean.
All right, I'm excited to be a Wilbercross High School teacher, to teach all the new kids coming in and the sophomores and the juniors and the seniors.
My name is Sanaya Peterson. I am a junior and I'm excited to teach the freshmen all sorts of new things.
Hi, my name is Cornell, and the most thing I'm excited for in this ninth grade experience is Chinese.
My name is Ashley Yannick, and I'm excited for a new year, new students, and some new courses.
My name is Leilani, and I'm excited to do sports during school.